Spraylock Premium Eco Adhesives. Spraylock FRP adhesive is proven in over 8 million square feet of warranted wall panel installation in the largest commercial environment across the U.S. This proven technology saves time and money and is now available nationwide, offering faster installation, cutting labor costs by at least 30%. A 4-hour working time. Spraylock FRP has a 4-hour working time once the adhesive is tacked. This allows the installer to spray out the work area and then focus on the sheet installation without stopping to spread glue. Porous and non-porous application. Spraylock is one of the only adhesives that allows installation over porous and non-porous substrates, reducing the need for solvent-based adhesive. Approved panels and substrates. Product benefits. Fast installation, cutting labor costs by at least 30%. 4-hour working time. Direct wall or panel application. Adheres to porous and non-porous substrates, reducing the need for solvent-based adhesives. Ideal for NRP, plastic, and composite wall panels. No troweling. Instant grab. No bracing required. Releasable for repositioning prior to rolling. No offensive odors. Water-based. Easy cleanup. 0.02 VOC grams per milliliter content, the lowest measured VOCs on the market. Spraylock conserves materials used to do the same job. 3 cans, weighing a total of 5 pounds, provide the same coverage as a 3.5 gallon, 45 pound bucket of trowel-based adhesive. Spraylock FRP adhesive can also be used to install over pre-existing metal sheet, FRP, and ceramic tile. Store adhesive at a minimum temperature of 68 degrees for 24 hours prior to installation. Condition wall and panels per manufacturer's recommendations. Before you begin, be sure that the surface is flat, even, and clean. Use a straight edge to check the condition of your wall. Spraylock FRP adhesive is designed for walls in good condition. Do not use on damaged walls. Ensure substrate, wall coverings, and surrounding areas are clean and dust-free. Damp wipe the substrate if dust is present. If dust is still present, prime joint compound to seal its surfaces. Lay out all the measurements with a chalk line or preferred method. Protect from overspray with a spray shield, drop cloths, paper, or masking. Cardboard makes an excellent spray shield option. Shake aerosol can well. Remove the blue safety tab. Hold upright, approximately 18 to 24 inches horizontally from the substrate. Aim, pull the trigger. Spraylock FRP adhesive is delivered by a low-pressure propellant. Adhesive should spray out in a mist toward the desired surface. You may apply adhesive horizontally, vertically, or in circular patterns as long as you apply smoothly and evenly. If excessive spray occurs, pat adhesive down with hand. Spray pattern should match this. 1 can delivers enough adhesive for 2 4x8 FRP sheets. Porous walls may require additional adhesive. You can adjust the amount of adhesive delivered by feathering the trigger. For corners and tight areas, you can feather less adhesive and place the can closer to the wall. Spray out radius will be tighter, giving you more control. In awkward areas, you can spray the back of the panel. To ensure optimal spray pattern, remove any adhesive buildup that may occur during the application process. If overspray occurs, it may be removed with a damp cloth while the adhesive is still wet. If the adhesive is dry, use mineral spirits. Allow adhesive to dry until there is no adhesive transfer when lightly touched. Typically, that'll be 10 to 20 minutes. High humidity or low temperature increases the tack time. Using a fan for air circulation shortens tack time. Open time after tack is 4 hours. While open, ensure that the adhesive is not contaminated by dust. Follow sheet manufacturer's recommendations for handling and application. Ensure there is adequate expansion space allotted for expansion joints. Failure to do so may result in panel installation failure. Use manufacturer's recommendations for sealing seams and corners. Position sheet and place on wall with light pressure. Reposition sheets as needed. Spraylock FRP has immediate shear strength, which completely eliminates sagging, shifting, and bracing during installation. However, this also means that traditional sliding of sheets into place is not an option. To reposition, pull the sheet off, realign, and place again. Once sheet is correctly positioned, apply firm pressure in the middle of the sheet to complete the bond in this area. Do not apply pressure around a 10-inch perimeter for installing trim around the edges. You may now wait up to 1 hour and roll the entirety of the sheet with a laminate roller to fully complete the bond. Rolling several sheets at once allows for greater efficiency and the opportunity to make adjustments if needed. To reposition after the bond is completed, pull away and reapply adhesive before repositioning. Install first sheet. Place an H divider onto the first sheet and press the divider flush so there's no expansion space. Next, install the second sheet. Press it lightly over the edge of the H divider until it clicks into track. Use a bent scraper to slide divider over an 1/8 inch onto the second sheet, which will leave the desired expansion space. Here's why you will stick with Spraylock FRP. Fast installation, cutting labor costs by at least 30%. 4-hour working time. Direct wall or panel application. Adheres to porous and non-porous substrates, reducing the need for solvent-based adhesives. Ideal for NRP, plastic, and composite wall panels. No troweling. Instant grab. No bracing required. Releasable for repositioning prior to rolling. No offensive odors. Water-based. Easy cleanup. Visit our website for an updated list of projects and special application instructions for all approved projects.